Out on the Ocean in G for the C-sharp D box. I'll play a very simple version with minimal ornamentation and minimal variation just to get you started, and then we'll look at some other things after that. So there we are, very basic version. I'm playing 3 Bs here, but very often you'll hear people just play a longer D. Either way is fine, do both. You could play more notes or less there. Now there, again, using 3 repeated notes, gracing the 3rd one. If you're going to go back to the first part, you can use it with this fingering. And if you're going on to the second part, you could do That's the basic, simple version of the tune. Almost everybody plays the following variation at some point. I think it's important to point out it is a variation, and so very often people play it the second time through and stay on the for the first time, and lots of variations. So that's pretty much it. It's a very simple tune. You'll hear varying versions of it. I like to keep the tune more or less pentatonic, so I don't put C naturals in very often, and I don't play many F sharps. People do. Sometimes you often hear people starting the tune. Which is fine. I tend to avoid it because I like to keep tunes to a bare minimum in terms of notes, and if it's pentatonic, which this tune basically is, I like to respect that, but no harm. For the same reason I don't play C naturals. And very rarely will I do. For the same reason. And that's why I don't always play the variation, because it uses an F sharp, but you're free to do that as you like. Let's look at some of the other things you could do. combination there. There's two F sharps going up and down. I tend to play one on the row and the second one. But I think that suits the phrasing best, but there's no reason why you couldn't. If you wanted a smoother sound, you could play them both on the outer row. Also, I slide, which is very lazy. It's worth learning that. It's also worth learning with separate fingers. There we are. That's the basic version for the C sharp D box in G. Now in the next clip we'll look at it in the key of A.